guys, welcome to Sage's Garage. Today, I'm finally going to take on the daunting task of cleaning out the engine bay. It is pretty horrible, I will say, and I'm doing this all by myself. My dad is out of town, so I am just going to figure it out as we go along. I'm going to do my best. And this is probably going to be the first wash of many because there's so much built up gunk, but we'll see how well it goes. I don't know if you guys can see how like misty and smoky it is. That's because of all the wildfires. There's actually a statement out right now for like a warning for the air quality. So I may put on a mask, we'll see. Also maybe because of how nasty that's going to be, we're going to find out. But yeah, there's like smoke everywhere and it's just super hazy, and it's very cold today. It feels like it's like fall, but the rest of the week it's gonna be like 29. So I don't know, climate change is crazy. Here is the engine bay right now. You can see a line in all the gunk there. And basically everything is just awful. Like, I don't know if I've ever seen something this dirty in my life. This is so scary. But yeah, I just have to get into every little nook and cranny and just figure out a way to clean it out. I do have a friend coming over and he's gonna tell me what I should cover up because it's different now that I took the engine out. There's a lot of stuff exposed. I did already cover the transmission, but like there's a lot of wires and I'm just terrified of breaking my car even more. So I don't know, I'm guessing I'm gonna take all of these little things off, but really I have no idea. So we're gonna find out and then I'm going to get started. So I think as of right now, what my plan is I'm gonna use this scraper and I'm just gonna scrape off as much of the gunk as I can and just get it off of there. And then once I feel like that has been done sufficiently enough, I'm gonna go ahead and spray absolutely everything with this engine shampoo, and then I'm gonna let it sit for, it says 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll see. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to use this multiple times, but let's stay optimistic and hope that it works. So yeah, I'm gonna use the engine shampoo, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off with water. I don't have a pressure washer or anything. I'm just gonna use a good old regular hose and hope that that works. And then I do have a scrubby brush, but I feel like we're not even gonna get to that point today. It's already getting a little bit late. But anyways, we'll see. Maybe I'll do a second engine shampoo and then use a scrubby brush and then rinse it. We're just gonna kinda see where the day takes us. First things first, I think I'm just gonna start with unscrewing this antifreeze and getting it out of here if I can. I mean, unless I just move it, I guess I might as well just unscrew it. And I hope there's nothing scary in here or I will cry. I don't know if this stuff can touch anything. I'm gonna say it can. Who knows? Not me. We'll just put it back. I was gonna try and get this off. I don't even know what's in it. Could be like a radiator fluid. I don't know, guys. But the thing is, it's like screwed on there and there's no chance I'm getting that screw off. Like, genuinely zero chance. So I think I'm just gonna leave it. And I think I'm literally just gonna start scraping. I don't even know how I'm supposed to get in here. Also, I'm completely terrified right now that there's gonna be bugs in here because I know that there's a lot. So I think I just wanna get this main bit because it's like really gross. So I'm gonna stand in here and I'm just gonna scrape this off. Let's just get scraping. And I'm just not gonna look too closely at what anything is, or I will actually lose my mind. I think I just scraped off some paint. We're off to a really good start. Oh my God. Yeah, I did scrape off the paint, and maybe I should get a bucket. Hold on. Give me a moment. Okay, everybody, I found a bucket. I'm just going to slowly start accumulating all of the gunk in here. Awesome. Okay everyone, so I just had my family friend Dante come over and give me some advice. I wanted to know what I should be worried about getting water into. So I am definitely not going to do that tonight because it is getting late. When I do, I'm going to be covering this up right here. I'm going to be taping this up and this, and I'm going to cover this. He's going to bring me a pressure washer, which I'm excited about because then I'll be able to really get in there. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off firewalls, if that's what they're called, so that I can better get into the area and really clean it out. But for now, I'm just going to continue scraping. So let's go. Okay everyone, I am calling it quits for the night. Even though I worked for hours, it still looks terrible, but you can see there's a lot more paint in here. I didn't know how much of this was going to be painted, so it is really surprising to me that there is so much paint underneath, and there's obviously lots more that I haven't gone to yet, but like all this I did, but that's just rust, and I've lost a lot of the paint. So I actually did a lot more of this than it looks like, but like I did all that, but that's just like paint is gone. But yeah. So I'm gonna get up tomorrow and do a bunch more, and then we'll get out the pressure washer and get this thing really clean. Hey guys, it is the next morning, and right now we are actually just taking off the 4 wheel nuts so we can take off the wheels, and then that way we can power wash it, and it'll be way easier to get in here and we won't have the wheels in the way. All right, everybody, we got 1 wheel off, and it looks like there's also spaces on here, so I'm gonna make sure not to lose those. Now we've got both of the wheels off here, and it's gonna make it way easier to clean this thing.
That's right.
Okay guys, I don't have my mic right now, so I hope the audio isn't terrible. I am just gonna get back to scraping. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna kind of scrape off as much as I can. Ended up taking off the firewalls, and they're just kind of dangling here, and so that way I can get in better. And also there are blocks into the car now, so it's not just on the jack, so it's sturdy. So I'm probably gonna leave it out here for a while we figure everything out with it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue on scraping. Okay, so here is what it's looking like after doing all of the scraping. I did it to the best of my ability. A lot of this stuff is not like gunk on top, it's just rusted and there's no paint there. So it's hard to tell, but I did do everywhere. I mean, not fantastically, but like all of this I did, it's just all, I don't know if it's rusty, but it's just like there's no paint there. But yeah, so here is how it's looking, and so now I'm going to be spraying it with engine shampoo and using the pressure washer. Okay, I'm going to attempt to use a pressure washer. I've never used them before, and it gives me like lawnmower vibes, but I've also never used a lawnmower, so we're gonna figure that out. I was given instructions, so hopefully I can follow them. And yeah, I'm gonna have you guys kind of a little far away, just because I don't want to spray all the gunk onto my camera. So yeah, wish me luck. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the entire engine bay with the engine shampoo and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. I wanted to give you guys a close-up. Everything is kind of melting off, which is fantastic. I did end up using the whole can of engine shampoo, so I will probably be getting another one, but that will be for another day. Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me. We're gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm just gonna see if it works. And I've turned the choke on, which is this. Okay, so this is how it's looking after the initial shampoo and power wash. Definitely better, but also definitely a long way to go. I think I'm gonna need to, I'm really gonna have to get into these spots. I really pressure wash them, but I'm still gonna have to get this with a paper towel or something, and I'm definitely gonna need a brush. So I think this is the first step of many. I'm gonna get more engine shampoo or degreaser. This is just a soupy mess now, lovely. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to get another engine shampoo, and then I'm gonna need to get a wire brush and really scrub in there, and then pressure wash it again. So that's right now what I am thinking, but definitely better than when we started. I attached my regular hose, and I am just gonna hose down the car just with some water, gentle, because I don't want the paint to peel off, but just so I can get the dust off, and yeah, hopefully some of the stuff. Here is the finished product for today. It's just drying out right now, but I am happy with how much got done. I mean, I didn't even know any of this was red, so that's fun. But yeah, obviously, I mean, a lot of paint got scratched off in the process, but that's all right. I'm not too bothered by it, but yeah, there's still a ton of gunk in there that's gotta come out. So there's definitely gonna be a part 2 of this, probably several parts, not next week, but eventually once I get to it. I also just rinsed off the rest of the car, and we can kind of see the paint. It's really not in great condition. There's these black specks everywhere, and then here I tried to use a polish, and it kind of just, I don't know, made it kind of orange here, and all the white and the black is not for me though. That was like that when I got it. I think it was in a shop, and they used the coating and some spray paint. And yeah, I mean, this bumper was painted separately from the rest of the car, so it's a little different. So I definitely think this paint needs some love, but that's okay. We will get there eventually. And some other things I gotta change. But yeah, I mean, overall, there's some chips in it. And here it's all like white speckles everywhere. I'm not sure if you can see that. But yeah, so anyways, paint has got some work to be done. But yeah, it looks a little cleaner though. I'm happy. It's much shinier than it was before, so that's definitely an improvement. Yeah. Oh, does look like some water got inside, but oh well, I will wipe that up. Well, that is the finished product for today. Probably in the next couple weeks or month, I will do a part 2 and get another end shampoo and get a wire brush and really get in there to the nooks and crannies. Maybe get a smaller scraper, but honestly, I think I'm past scraping and I'll probably just need to use end shampoo, a wire brush, and power wash it again, maybe a couple times. So that will be a video in the near future. I do have a very exciting delivery. I should be getting my crankshaft any minute, and I actually did get my block a couple days ago, but you guys will have to wait until next week's video to see those. I'm so sorry. I am happy with how it's looking, but there obviously is a way to go. Also, as I'm recording this, I see my bonnet that I completely forgot about. Obviously, I'll be doing a more thorough cleaning of the outside, but I know I'm definitely gonna have to clean the underside of that, so that'll probably be in part 2. Completely forgot about that until just now. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!